Hey guys, welcome back to MPW. Today we have got a VF Maloo Ute. This has come to us as just a factory car, 1,200 kilometres on it. The customer wanted something a little bit more aggressive, still drivable, wanted that big camshaft note, good grunt, but still a bit of mid and low down power. So we've recommended to go with a vcm16 camshaft in this, which is 233, 238 at 50 and 114 lobe separation. Now that sets us up for the future to be able to put a blower or a turbo on this car as well. It's still running factory exhaust, DeFilippo headers or Manta headers, and some of our MPW custom fabricated cat pipes in it. Now before we run it up, it was in the low 240s. Now camshaft, VCM intake, extractors and factory bimodal catback, it's now come through at 333 real kilowatts. We'll take you around the car, we'll show you the note on it, so if you're looking at this camshaft package that we offer, you can actually get a bit of an insight to how it sounds and what it's like. Any other questions, post them below. Anything you want to see, post them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.